Caving on the sofa, adaptive radiation. Imagine one ancestor arrives on a new place with many empty niches. What happens? Evolution go wild. This is called adaptive radiation. One species split into many, each with different lifestyle. Darwin finches are a classic example. On the Galapagos Islands, one bird ancestor gave rise to many species, each with a special beak for seeds, insects, or even cactus flower. Adaptive radiation show how fast life can diversity opportunities appear. One ancestor, many jobs, nature start a boom. Subscribe. Party time, but turning in the seat. He has to.